What's up, guys? It's me, Leafy, back here. I'm doing a criminal convoy, which I really enjoy doing.
I'm getting a little nervous
Alright.
here, Pierce. You find
What's up, guys? Wait, did I say it? What's up, guys? It's me, Leafy, back here with some Watch Dogs gameplay. I'm doing a criminal convoy. Basically, I don't have to follow the route. I just have to intercept them before they leave, which will be actually pretty simple now that I have the gun. I have a sniper that stops all like cars with a shot or something. This car is fast and it's green like a leaf. Yay. There's a certain car that I want to get my hands on. It's called the oh dang it, I don't think running them over would make it any better. But there's a certain car I want to get my hands on. It's called the Luciano, and I feel like if I get that car, it will be my Batmobile. I'll just call it the Leafy Mobile. The Leafy Mobile is better. Ugh. Yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I have been working on my YouTube channel, making it look more professional, even though the videos aren't very professional grade. Oh dang it, they're coming, and they're coming hard. They're coming so hard. Alright, here we go. Fine, I'll back up. But not another inch. Alright, I got this. You take down the target first, and then the people enforcing it. Come on. They're almost here. I got 2 shots. Take out the first 2 cars that appear.
Please state the nature of your emergency.
Please, you gotta hurry. This guy's soldiers armed.
Alright, I took out those guys.
Okay, so it sounds like you made a few enemies. Well, maybe more than a few. Expect some bad
Alright, don't worry.
Great.
Don't worry. Okay, now get out of the car and drive. Drive like there's no tomorrow. Go. Aw, dang it, I died. So yeah, this is kind of hard. Criminal convoys. I enjoy them because it's it's hard. All right, you gotta be smart about it, but you also gotta be brutal. You gotta be hard.
The prison transfer for my witness.
All right, so let's just get where we need to get. Oh, that's simpler. I was like farther away.
Paying Tucci for the vigilante's identity. Nobody wants my name.
Someone wants my
Good luck
name.
with that.
My name is Leafy, and if you want to know, I'm a YouTuber. I'm not a very good one though.
I'm getting a little nervous here, Pierce. You find him?
I'm tracking his GPS.
Oh,
Got him off the way, which is
oopsies.
the
That's
prison.
not a shortcut.
Nice.
That's not a shortcut. If it were like grass or something, it would have been a shortcut. But it's not. Probably wasted the amount of time I would have saved by going through here. Correct? Whoa. That's your fault. Drive right. I just want to get here faster. Alright, follow this, because that's the straightaway, that's the most important part. Because the farther I can get them, I just need to take out... I'm sorry. You shouldn't have been there anyways. It might have been the sidewalk, but didn't you expect there would be crazy people who would run into you? Gosh, some people, they think, oh, this is the sidewalk. I'm just gonna walk here. Well, no. What was that? Here we go. just gonna drive a little forward so I don't have to. Just go. Alright, I just neutralized somebody.
Ran him off the road.
Shut up. I'm trying to find my target. Whee!
We have an open contract. Any takers?
No!
On it. We could use some help.
Alright, I need a... Yeah. Take that guy down. He's gonna run this way, so if... Oh, dang it, here come the cars.
What is he doing? Is he shooting?
Stop chasing me. I gotta kill this guy. I think I can get 3 shots on him before it gets dangerous.
Target's hard.
Dang it. Come on, stop running. I can't believe he can sprint for this long. Like, he must be an Olympic sprinter. Dude, I'm gonna take you on. Wait, take down? Aw, dang it. Oh, I had to kill him. Aw, dang it, I didn't need to chase him. Alright guys, so since I've been losing half the stuff, I'm just gonna kill these guys for you. Because I know I've been losing a lot of my quality from... Oh no, I'm gonna die, guys. No! I did. This is stupid. Well, at least I know all I have to do is take them down, so I can just shoot them in the face from with the snips, with the snips. I like snipping. Oh, I only have 2 minutes. It's
Angelo
alright,
Tucci.
guys.
This guy's leading the prison transfer.
I'll just skip this part. I'm not gonna skip it. I'm just gonna skip me getting there. So I hope you enjoy this. I mean, not enjoy. Well, yeah. Just yeah. Pause, and then pause. Boop.
I'm getting a little nervous here, Pierce. You find him?
I'm tracking his GPS. Cut him off before he reaches the prison.
Nice.
Southbound train arriving shortly.
Ooh. What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm here. Just let me get out of this car. So all I have to do is snipe. So I'm just gonna wait here till the time is right to snipe. Take down the car and take down the person. Whoa! Thunder is happening. Alright, I'm good.
911, please
Let's get out of
state
here.
your emergency.
Send whatever emergency guys you got.
Oh gosh! No! No! Oh dang it, Mother Goose! Alright guys, well I guess this was another fail video. By fail video I mean a video in which I failed. It happens all the time, you gotta get used to it. I'm gonna stop right here. And
Angelo Tucci.
Yeah,
This
I
guy's
hope.
leading the
No,
prison
I think.
transfer from a witness.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here
Someone's
for you
paying too
guys,
cheap for the
cause
vigilante's identity.
yeah, I'm gonna wait till the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do one more. I think I'm gonna wait. Yeah, just I hope you guys enjoy. I truly do hope you guys enjoy. So have a nice day. Good night.